Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2019 Yamaha Wolverine X2. We've just installed the Ryco Street Legal kit on it and the full cab kit from Yamaha. This machine is sweet. This cab kit from Yamaha is the best fitting cab kit we've ever seen. With the cab kit, you're gonna have the full glass windshield wiper with multi-modes and washer fluid. The cab kit is lockable, as you can see here. The side windows you can open and close to get some airflow inside the cab. In the back, you also have a rear sliding window. From the inside of the machine, you can also lock it from the inside, as well as open it and the shut handle from the inside. When you slide the windows forward, they will also lock. So if you're out on a hike and you decide you want to fully lock up your contents inside, it's really easy to do that. On the wiper, you've got your washer fluid up here and your low and high settings here on the wiper. Really good kit. On the Ryco kit, it utilizes a column mount like you'd see in your car. Down is going to be left. Indicator lights up on the dash to let you know the turn signals are on. Horn buttons integrated into the end of the lever. And with the hazards on, all four corners are going to illuminate. You can see with the Ryco kit, we've installed the 3/4 inch amber LEDs on the front. And what I love most about the Ryco kit is it ties into the stock taillight housings. So you've got really big visibility on your street legal side-by-side. If you have any questions about the Yamaha X2, the full cab kit, street legal kit, give us a call, 435-427-3338, or check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Have a great day, everybody.